맛있어요. 맛있어요. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 맛있어요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 301. 맛있어요. 맛있어요. This is pronounced as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is mat, second syllable is it, third syllable is o, and fourth syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 맛있어요. 맛있어요. This word is used to say delicious. And this word literally means there is taste. mat means taste and 있어요 means there is. So when we say 맛있어요, it means there is taste. But this is more commonly used to say delicious. How do we write 맛있어요 in Hangul? This is composed of four syllables. For the first syllable mat, we need to draw first a miyam character followed by an a character followed by a siot character. For the second syllable it, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang followed by an e character followed by a double siot or sang siot character. For the fourth syllable o, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang followed by the o character. And then for the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these four syllables to form the hangul of the word 맛있어요. And with that, you've just learned 맛있어요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 291 to 300. But before anything else, let's not forget our word for today, word number 301, 맛있어요, which means delicious. The first word for our review is word number 300, sek, which means color. Next word for our review is word number 299, 딸기, which means strawberry. Next word is 베프, and this is the shortened term for best friend. Next word for our review is moja. This is a noun which means hat or cap. Next word for our review is 차이다, which means to be dumped or to be kicked. Next word is 취미. This is a noun which means hobby. Next word is 함께. 함께. This used to say together. Next word for our review is 치마, which means skirt. Next word for our review is 물고기. This is a term for fish. And the last word for our review is word number 291, 소리, which means sound. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.